This is Get Prepared with Augason Farms. Here's your host, Augason Farms President, Nathan Yearsley.
I'm Nathan Yearsley, President of Emergency Preparedness Food Provider, Augason Farms. And together with the Family Channel and Heartland, we want to help you and your family get prepared. In a disaster, staying informed and connected with loved ones can save lives. Let's begin with one critical tip. Don't rely on your cell phone alone. Have on hand at least one emergency radio that's self-powered. Battery-powered, hand crank, or solar radios can receive national, oceanic, and atmospheric administration weather alerts and emergency broadcasts, even when cell towers are down. Keep your portable radio tuned and stored with fresh batteries or charging capability. Walkie-talkies can be very effective for local communication when cell service is out. Reliable walkie-talkies are easily obtained and easy for each family member to learn how to use. A newer technology is satellite messenger such as Garmin inReach. These can work anywhere with a clear sky and are a perfect solution for rural or remote areas where infrastructure may not be available or fail. Designate an out-of-area emergency contact that everyone can check in with. I also advise creating a printed family plan with meeting locations and important numbers. Speaking of technology, apps can be a terrific tool. Zello, or Life360, can help coordinate family members, but only if cell or Wi-Fi remains functional. Be sure to have these apps properly pre-installed and tested. Come on, let's get prepared.
For more information or to have Augason Farms meals, fruits, vegetables, egg, dairy, and dessert products delivered to your home, visit AugasonFarms.com.